Hi everyone. Let's do that example together. Some contemporary artists seek inspiration in historical as well as in current events. For example, the works of California-based painter and sculptor Alan Chain Lane, elements commonly associated with the 19th century gold rush and the transcontinental railroad. The question is which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English. Once we see that, we know this is another question about grammar. But which grammar lesson asks about? Let's have a look. As the choices has included, includes, have included, haven't included. These are different forms of the same verb include. Present, but they are all present. Present perfect, present simple, present perfect as well, and haven't included not a tense at all because it is supposed to be to have verb to be before having. So this is we would eliminate it at the beginning. Okay, so now we have a question about subject-verb agreement. We have to know two things to answer that question, to determine what's the subject. Number two, to determine is it singular, only one of the thing, or plural, more than one. So let's read that part. What's important in subject-verb agreement was before the time only, because the performance that test is the time. So not always read before some contemporary artist seeking inspiration in historical as well as current event. It's important. What's important from here? For example, the works of California-based painter and sculptor Alan Train. So what is the subject here? He said pay attention to the preposition of and what's come after is prepositional phrase California-based painter and sculptor Alan Train. So the basic word, which is the subject here, is the word works. And this is singular plural, this is plural word. So let's have a look. As tries it again. Has included, not right, because this is singular. Includes, this is not right, because this is singular as well. Have included, this is the correct answer. And we said, or having included, this is not right, because supposed to have verb to be here before having. Having not a verb, okay? See you in another question.